My name is Robert Bache, Medicare Bob. I own Senior Healthcare Direct, and I help people with Medicare nationwide. So thank you for tuning in. It's FAQ Friday, and I've got some exciting news and update that Medicare has a new way for you to know exactly what you're eligible for, what coverage you have, what's covered. It's really super cool. Before I tell you about it, I just want to remind you, please subscribe here on YouTube if you're on YouTube, or follow my podcast or like our Facebook page, depending on how you're watching or hearing this video. And what I'm going to tell you about now is Medicare has released a new app for your Android or iPhone or iPad or whatever type of device we're using nowadays, and it's called the What's Covered app. So it's called the Medicare What's Covered app, and this is not an official review of the app. I might have that a little bit later, but I'm just going to tell you about it and tell you what it can help you with. All right, so I'm going to do some reading here. This is right off of the App Store here. So with the federal government's app, you can get answers to your Medicare coverage questions, see how much you'll pay, learn about the covered items and services, see helpful notes and where you can get more information. You can browse the free preventative services. So basically, it's kind of like what's already available on Medicare.gov's website, but more of a user-friendly way now that we're getting into the 21st century and the apps and, more visualized friendly where, you can watch videos on what's covered and stuff like that. You can find out exactly what coverage, questions like when are my mammograms going to be covered, are specialists or home health care covered, will Medicare pay for crutches, walkers, diabetic testing supplies. So basically, if you subscribe to my channel, I kind of answer all these questions, but it's still good to have access to it when you want it on Medicare's app. Your preventative health screenings, your specific eligibility, when those are eligible for you specifically based on the time frame on when you're in Medicare and throughout the year. Your Part B medical services, you can say, hey, is this covered by Part B, this and that? Is my doctor taking Medicare? How much will I pay for a prescription drug? Does Medicare Part B deductible apply for like cardiac rehabilitation? What percentage of Medicare covered approved amount will I need to pay for cancer screenings? So it's pretty cool. It's called Medicare What's Covered app. There's no reason that if you're on Medicare not to download this app. It's free of charge. Again, I just found out about this today, so I've not done an official review, but I did a little bit of playing on it, read about it, and if you're on Medicare, there's really no reason not to download the app and check it out. It's called the Medicare What's Covered app.